Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get cPanel at Hostinger. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net. If you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So if you don't already have an account, you can register for a new one. If you have one, just go and log in, and after logging in successfully, now we can get started. So our cPanel is going to look like this. Once you have set up cPanel on your computer, you'll be able to access your dashboard right here. You can manage your file manager, databases, and so on, and we can get started. So you can see in this article right here in the official support Hostinger website, they're showing us how to log into cPanel and Hostinger. Basically, you want to follow the steps that you can find right here. You're going to go ahead and open up hPanel, as you can see, in Hostinger, and then you're going to go ahead and click the next section where you can go ahead and manage it and click login to cPanel. So from this section right here, you'll be able to log into cPanel using your info, username, password, and so on. You'll have all of your access links right here where you can get started. So what you want to do is find this article right here on the official website of Hostinger and get started following the steps to log into your cPanel account and get started with accessing it from Hostinger, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.